ఆన్లైన్ 8 మెంబర్స్ వచ్చారా 5 మెంబర్స్ ఆఫ్లైన్ వల్ల 3 మెంబర్స్ సో ఆన్లైన్లో 4 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు ఇంకా తగ్గుతున్నారు ఇప్పుడు అందుకని మొత్తం ఆన్లైన్ తీసేస్తే ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు అందరూ ఆఫ్లైన్ వస్తారు So now you have to set the noise reduction settings. So just increase or decrease the value here, how much you want. So just go with a 0.5 value without adding 1. So otherwise it looks like a completely cartoonic look. Okay, so completely manaki em avutundante totally it looks like a soft manner. Okay, so kabatti we just have to go with only 0.5 noise reduction. Okay, it will remove the color value, noise, and also the overall noise of the lighting areas. Okay, wherever it is having the noisy shadows and midtones and all, that everything comes back to normal. It converts to normal, smooth. See this? Clear? So once come back to RGB, see everything. So it is not at all having any kind of grain now. So to apply on the final output, means on the entire video, final output. Okay, just select the final output. Now it is applying on the entire footage. Clear? So once it is done, remove grain. Now you can start working with. So yesterday what I explained is color difference key first of all. Okay, so go to color difference key and select the green with the help of first this key color what you want to remove. See, at the up position it is having light shade, at the down it is having little darken shade. So select the darken and lighten between area. Okay, select the between area of both. See, still we can see the lighten and darken shades. Okay, coming to the alpha, you can't see the completely black at these areas because we are whatever the green we are selected, it is having in a multiple shaded manner all the locations. So to come back to complete alpha at this location opacity, then here you should improve the white. See now, and at this location also add more white color, means we improved the alpha at the character place, subject place, right? Opacity ni pencham. So next, by going with the black point to increase the background black, you can click on the white and gray points. So automatically it improves the black value. So now you can see completely as a transparent at the back side. See this? So there is some value little bit as a grain. So that also you can convert to black completely. See, now everything is having black, right? So come to the RGB and check out with the transparency here. So now to set these sharp edges where the alpha is having the noisy pixels. ఎక్కడైతే noisy pixels ఉన్నాయో అంత noisy pixels అయితే లేవు, పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ఉంది. But still you can reduce this noisy and little edges into smooth by adjusting first of all with the help of what? Effects. ఏం యాడ్ చేస్తాం నిన్న ఎవరు జాయిన్ అయ్యారు ఆన్లైన్? ఓన్లీ ఒక్కడేనా? 6 దగ్గర జాయిన్ అయ్యారా నిన్న? అందరూ జాయిన్ అయ్యారు. ఎవరు చెప్పట్లేదంటే ఎవరు చూడలేదు స్క్రీన్. ఆడియో రావట్లేదు, కబుర్లు చెప్పదు. స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తుందిగా, ఎవరు చూడలేదు స్క్రీన్. కలర్ కలర్ ఇస్తున్నా కాదు, ఫ్రమ్ ద మ్యాట్ ఆప్షన్ మ్యాట్ షో కట్. గుర్తు గుర్తొచ్చిందా? అది వినబడిందా? So I added a matte choker. So when we add the matte choker, see this, the alpha will convert into a more soft manner, and it removes the unwanted edge location, okay, from the alpha. See this, see, clear? So the matte choker, it deletes the extra noisy vertices, sorry, not vertices, pixels, okay. So now what, still I want to remove the green shade, okay. I want to remove green shade, and we should not remove the complete character, we should remove only the green reflection on the character, okay. So then first of all, before going to remove the green shade, increase the choker value little more so that it will go little more inside, then increase the levels of 2. So it brings the pixels outside little bit with a little more softness. Little more softness. Are you busy? Where? Here you are seeing YouTube లో వీడియోస్ దొరుకుతాయి. YouTube లో వీడియోస్. So once the softness we added in the matte choker, after adding the sharpness inside, then we added little bit of the geometric software too with the 1.1 value, so that I got this little bit of smooth. Then you can go with the effects, keying concept. Here there is no advanced spill suppressor in CS6, so we have only spill suppressor. We have only spill suppressor. In CC 2019, 18, 20, 21 and all, we have the spill suppressor as well as advanced spill suppressor. Spill suppressor means you have to select the which color it should convert to normal. Means the pixel, exactly green pixel you have to select. Okay, but in advanced spill suppressor, automatically it takes green as a color to convert into normal shape. Okay, as per the dress and body color. Okay, so now see this. After selecting spill suppressor, it is having by default blue. Now pick the color from green here, what you want to remove from the footage. See now, is it removed? But here you can't able to go with the ultra and standard option. Ultra and standard option we have in advanced spill suppressor only, not in the spill suppressor. So that you have to work here whatever way you want to get the quality. Okay. So first of all, here the suppression value you can increase or you can decrease, so that we will get the color little more back. So I added only 80% of the green. Okay. Then the face position, whatever it is having, that you can't able to remove the, because the background is also having the brown shaded green and all, right? So this value if you want to remove, you should go with the color correction. Should go with color correction. So how to do the color correction, I'll show you. So first of all, go to the color balance from the effects menu, color correction, color balance. So here we need to decrease the green to convert this into orange, right or not? So, and another body positions anywhere we are not having more green, right? So just decrease the green from midtones first. So this is the green, reduce the value with minus 0.6 or 7 something, okay? And also from the highlights, green, -1, okay? Then shadow, just don't try to remove more, otherwise it shows completely like a reddish and all. So Here also I'm going to decrease little more value green. See now the slowly green was removed and it is converted to orange shade. Okay, so just go with the exact 10 value here, -10, and here -5 something. So now we can work out with the other values like effect, color correction, go to exposure. In this we have gamma correction also. Exposure means it will work on the highlight. Gamma means it will work on the midtone. Gamma for midtones to increase the brightness and darkness means the brightness will start from the midtone. Midtone means what? Where the lighting is falling, that is the highlighted area. Where the opposite one is shadow position, shaded position. The between two are the midtones. సో రెండింటికి మధ్యలో ఉన్నది మిడ్ టోన్స్. ఎక్కడైతే లైటింగ్ స్ప్రెడ్ అవుతూ నార్మల్గా ఉంటుందో, నాట్ కంప్లీట్లీ డార్కర్, నాట్ కంప్లీట్లీ లైటర్, బ్రైటర్. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఏరియా మిడ్ టోన్. సో గామా వాల్యూ అనేది ఇట్ విల్ అడ్జస్ట్ ద మిడ్ టోన్స్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ ఇట్ పుషెస్ ద షాడోస్ టు కన్వర్ట్ ఆల్సో ఇంటూ మోర్ బ్రైటర్. అంటే మిడ్ టోన్స్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి షాడోస్ కూడా ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతాయి గామా వల్ల. క్లియర్? సో అలాగే exposure is a option which works from the highlights. See, to increase the more brightness on the highlighted areas. So automatically midtones will also affect by the exposure. The second one. Okay. So basically creates a gray shade or completely darker offset. Gray shade, it adds a gray pixels into the entire footage. It won't follow any midtone or highlight or shadow. It will apply directly on the entire footage. That is the offset. So don't use maximum offset. Only if you want to bring entire footage into linear manner. Linear ante okelaga undadam, complete colors anni. So if you want to do that, you can go with the offset option. Otherwise you can go with the 0. So now here everything is good. It is converted to yellow and here it is having the orange shade and all. Then go to change color. So whatever the color you want to change to some other shade, just pick the color. For example, the yellow that I want to change little more. So select this color and matching tolerances. So the value you can go with up to 50% something, and matching softness means whatever the remaining colors are matching with the same shade. So that softness would also apply on the remaining. So what color you want to change? So I want to go with the red something. So increase the value or decrease the value of that particular shade. See now that value was removed. Clear? Is it removed or not? This particular green shade. So I added the 50% of tolerance wherever that color is matching related to that. Okay. Then hue saturation I decreased it towards to remove that color. The minus. Just go with the minus value. So then color was removed and I am getting the normal skin tone. Okay. So you have to check out with all the options. If the exposure is not there, it is having completely dark shade. If this change color is not there, it is having little green shade. Okay. So everything I am working step by step. Okay. So to change color balance. See, if the color balance is normal, so you can't see the red and blue shade. You can see completely as yellowish or green. See this. So then without still suppressor. removing this in reflection at the side of the dress. And then matte choker, it is removing the rough edge pixels. And I added the softness. Then this is the color difference to remove the completely background green. And then the first one is removing the noise from the each and every channel. See that noise on the hair. Clear? So this is the final output what I got. Now we can go with the another background image. Press Ctrl 0. So double click and open some image. So to match with this again, see now, see we added a match, in a match choker, we added a little smooth, right? 1.10, so that it is already merging with the background pixel. So it is not having exactly a sharp edge. Avuna kada? Sharp edge unda ikkada ledhu. So now we have to do color correction according to the fog and all. This fog is there and maximum it is having the dark green background. You can use the same shades. Control Alt Shift G to scale the entire background. Clear everyone? This is what we have discussed yesterday, color difference key. And one more I explained with the color difference key. Okay? So next, yesterday I explained color key after the color difference key, right? For the another footage. So I'm using the color key now. What is mean by color difference key and color key? Color difference key, it is showing the difference between the first and second concept. Means the first is A and the second one is B, means after applying the keying option, then the difference between what you are doing, the tolerance value adjustment, black point value adjustment or white point value adjustment. White point means it is adding the opacity, black point means it is decreasing the opacity. So black value is increasing at the back side. So that is what A minus B kind of process. That is what we call as color difference key. Okay, here it is a simple color key. Color key means what? You just have to select the single area. It starts only at that location. Then you have to increase the tolerance, direct value. There is no A minus B and all. White value adjustment and black value adjustment. There is nothing in this. Only for some footages only it works properly. If it is having very much clear picture like green and all, then easily we can remove that. If it is a very much difficult, like a corner is having like a patchwork, dark green, only at the character location we have the light green, and so many foldings are there, screen, background screen. Then it is difficult to work out with the normal basic tool. Okay. So now I'm increasing more tolerance. See what happens if I increase more, maybe some places, neck location or hair location also we will miss out. Okay, but as of now, perfect, because she stayed very much far from the screen, అంటే స్క్రీన్ నుంచి చాలా దూరంగా నుంచుని ఉంది. సో కాబట్టి ఆమె మీద గ్రీన్ అనేది రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. గ్రీన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ ఆన్ హెర్ బికాస్ హీ స్టాండర్డ్ మోర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్క్రీన్. ఓకే, అండ్ లైటింగ్ కూడా ఈమె మీదకి సపరేట్ లైటింగ్ ఉంది, బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ మీదకి సపరేట్గా ఉంది లైటింగ్. సో ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్ ఆల్సో దేర్ ఈజ్ నో షాడోస్ ఆఫ్ ద పర్సన్ క్యారెక్టర్. ఓకే, సో బట్ ఇందాక షాట్లో మనకి డిఫరెంట్ లైటింగ్ ఉంది, పైన ఒక లైటింగ్ కింద ఒక గ్రీన్ షేడ్ వచ్చింది, అండ్ దట్ గ్రీన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ ఆన్ ద పర్సన్ ఇన్ ద బిఫోర్ ఫుటేజ్, ఇన్ దట్ ఫుటేజ్ కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు this is okay. Now go with the alpha. See now, so here somewhere we have the normal points. So edge thinness you can set little bit like alpha matte trap matte choker. See, it is also adjusted the alpha, but see it is cutting mostly, so decrease the value. Just go with only one. Clear? Then you can also add directly feather value, little bit smooth. That's it. Okay, now I want to work out with matte choker. Is no need now because we got perfect output without matte choker. But as I told you, with some tools only, with some footages only, it supports. If it is a difficult shot, if it is having multiple colors, then it is difficult to work out with the color key. Clear? So you can check out with the different footages. So now you have to get here more perfectly, means definitely we should add the matte choker. Clear? So now again adjust the softness little more. See, and this chop area also you can set little bit, how much you want, 40 value or 50 value. See now, and finally go with apex, scene, fill suppressor. So maximum there is no green point, just select perfectly on the particular green what you want to remove. So now it is done. It's converted to gray color. See, there are no green points, right? So now check out once alpha. See, now it is having the smoothness. So press Ctrl 0, then go to some other background footage. సో ఎక్కడైనా సరే కటింగ్ వచ్చినట్టు వచ్చిందా పొజిషన్స్ చెక్ చేయండి. సో స్మూత్ కటింగ్ ఉంది, రైట్? సో స్టిల్ వీ కెన్ వర్క్ అవుట్ ఆన్ ఇట్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్. So the background lighting, if you want to affect or if you want to get the effect on the body edge position, then you can take the same copy of this file, Control D. So just keep the main footage at the up, and for the down footage, matte choker, you have to increase outside. See this. Just increase outside. Now for this you can add the little more brightness, color adjustment, like color balance. See here the background is in what color? Green, garden. So now that green garden value, it should show at this location. Okay, as a lighting from the background. So increase the highlights, green here, and in the shadow green little bit. Then width tone also set the little greenish value. Means the background lighting is falling on the complete edge location. See the background lighting. If you want to improve that, add color correction, brightness and contrast of the same. Increase the brightness. Set the contrast values. Now what is that? Means the background is filling the lighting on her background location, border position. ఓకే అంటే బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ లైటింగ్ అనేది ఆ బోర్డర్ మీద పడుతుంది. అంటే అక్కడ గ్రీన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి గ్రీన్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో వేరే ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఉంటే వీ షుడ్ యూజ్ ద సేమ్ కలర్. జస్ట్ లైక్ సాఫ్ట్ కీ మనం న్యూక్లో చేసాం కదా, సాఫ్ట్ కీ. ఓకే, లైట్ ర్యాప్ ఆప్షన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్. See at these edges you can see that lighting. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఫుటేజ్ డార్క్ గా ఉంది కాబట్టి డార్క్ గా ఉంచినా ఓకే. సో యూ నో నీడ్ టు యాడ్ మోర్ బ్రైట్నెస్ at this location. You can go with the limited. The highlighted value here also you can decrease little bit. That's it. ఓకే దెన్. సో ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుని రండి. క్రిస్మస్ తర్వాత రోజు మనం మోర్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ చెప్పుకుందాం. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే నాకు మొబైల్స్లో చూపించాలి. ఓకే, లేదు మీరు ఆల్రెడీ గ్రూప్లో యాడ్ అయి ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి గ్రూప్లో పెట్టేసండి, నేను రేపు చూసుకుంటాను సండే ఇంట్లో. ఓకే దెన్, బాయ్. In video only I have done video. That girl I have done video. No, video only. She is moving now. ACC model. 2020 అందులోనే వస్తాయి ఈజీగా. 20 లేదు ఉంటుంది కెమెరా న్యూ ఆఫ్టర్ బెస్ట్లో అనడం అనేది ఉంటుంది. నేను వాడుతున్నా 2023 ఉంటుంది. అది మామూలు పైన నీకు న్యూ ఆప్షన్లోనే న్యూ లేయర్లోకి వెళ్ళి న్యూ ఆప్షన్లోకి వెళ్తే నీకు కెమెరా అవును. అంటే ఆప్షన్ మార్చుకుంటాడేమో తప్ప కెమెరాకి అది పనిచేస్తుంది. తీయలేదు ఇంకా.